Have you ever cooked chicken on the ground? Today I'm burying chicken in the backyard to see if it really works. And wait till you see how it turns out. Alright, so we're gonna start off by digging a deep hole. If you're enjoying the video so far, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps YouTube recommend this video so more people can see it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my new uploads. Every time I post, you will be notified first. Yes guys, so as you can see, I dug a small hole in the ground and added charcoal inside. Once the fire got going, and the coals were hot, I placed a small grill rack right on top of the flame, and then I added some chicken on top. Today I'm keeping it simple. I've got 2 chicken breasts, seasoned with all-purpose seasoning, a good spoonful of jerk paste, and a drizzle of vegetable oil just to keep it nice and juicy. This quick mix, guys, is going to give you that classic Jamaican flavor with just a few ingredients. I put the chicken on the rack, then cover it with foil paper to trap the heat in. Next I added more charcoal with fire on top, and finally I covered everything with dirt to seal it up. This traps the heat like an underground oven, Alright guys, here's a fun fact for you while you wait, alright? So cooking meat on the ground isn't new. It's actually one of the oldest cooking methods in the world. In Jamaica, we've used this style for roasting yams and meats for decades, especially in the countryside. In Hawaii, Hawaiians call it aimu. Mexicans call it barbacoa, and in parts of the Caribbean, it's just the good old earth oven. The idea is simple. Bury it in hot coal and let nature slow cook it to perfection. Right now, I'm just going to pour some more charcoal on top. Remember, I already have charcoal at the bottom producing heat, and then I'm going to be building some heat on top as well. So it's going to be like a double style oven, all right? So the reason behind making this video today, guys, I wanted to give you guys something a little different from the usual cooking videos. So today we're taking it old school, with this on the ground chicken cook up. So I love trying new ways to bring Jamaican flavors to life, and hope you enjoy this video today, guys. Like I said earlier, guys, you just want to cover the top with some dirt and then let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's all it needs for chicken breast. It cooks fast and stays moist. It's going to be smoky, flavorful, guys. And as you can see, the smoke is coming, through the top of the dirt, all that steam, all that smoke, So right now is the moment of truth, guys. We're going to see what we're working with, see if this did the trick, So keep watching. What do you guys think? Do you think it's cooked? It's fully cooked, guys? You know, we're about to find out. Let's check it out. I'm gonna bring it closer to the cutting board and see if it's done. Ooh, hopefully it's cooked, guys. Oh my god. Ooh, I don't know. We're about to find out. Look like it's still raw. Yeah, guys, it's not fully cooked as yet. This side is cooked, but look, it's not cooked all well. It's not cooked all the way. Maybe 5 more minutes, guys. So I'm gonna put it back on the grill. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back on the ground grill for about 5 minutes. Let some air get on the inside, and it should be cooked. Yes, guys, so I had to put it back on the grill for about 5 more minutes, and now it is perfect. It is good. We're gonna slice into it and see what's going on. And there you have it, guys, on the ground grilled chicken using just a few ingredients and 15 to 20 minutes of cook time. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.